This is David WA9ONY. We're looking at the desktop of the Raspberry Pi 4. We're going to install a slow scan TV program called QSSTV. We go down to Preferences, Add Remove to the standard GUI. Type in QSSTV. SS means slow scan, television. We're searching the repository for QSSTV. Here we found the package in the repository. It is 9.2.6. Let's go to the website and check what the most current version is. Oh, okay, so we're slightly old. 9.4.4. And so we're not at the absolute bottom, just above the bottom here. So that's the software package we're going to use. We're going to close the web browser here. We can look at required packages. 113. These are taken care of by the package manager. We also can see dependent packages. There's none. Okay, let's start the install process. Oh, by the way, here's a short description in the bottom of the Add Remove software GUI interface. It wants a password. Password's entered. Oh, this is small. It's only 693 kilobytes compared to the megabyte packages. Slow Scan TV is used by ham radio operators on Wednesday night here in the Portland area, actually Salem, Portland area, on the WA7ABU repeater. Okay, we're all installed. Let's go ahead and say OK. As I customarily do, I do a reboot. We're back after the reboot of installing QSSTV. We go down to the internet and we're going to find it here. We'll launch the program. I've used it to receive stations, pictures from the International Space Station. Okay, first of all, you can see it's good. The waterfall here is the audio. And as I am speaking, it is listening to that audio. The other key option is the speed. So 48 kilohertz is the input clock. If that doesn't match whatever the receiver's generating, I find that we will not receive a slow scan TV even though we see something on the waterfall. It's interesting, this looks like it's also installed jack, which is a connection kit. I believe jack is very much like a virtual audio cable on a Windows machine. Okay, we're not going to change anything. We just needed to know 48 there. Go ahead and cancel that. It comes up in the receiver mode already and will automatically do the auto detect, and it will save as a PNG, which is good. Okay, we can now let's do a test with the receiver program we're going to use, and that's the real nice program called GQRX. Earlier, in fact yesterday morning, I used GQRX to receive voice transmissions from the International Space Station. Okay, since they're not sending slow scan pictures, The best signal generator out there in the 2-meter band is the APRS, Automatic Packet Reporting System. It's really busy here in the Portland area, so we're just going to turn that on. And then we're going to check over at the waterfall, and I'm going to stop talking and let's see if the audio from the GQRX shows up on the waterfall. Oh, success. So not only my voice, but the audio from the program here is automatically being routed to the server and the audio. We'll go ahead and stop this and we'll check the settings, and there's the magic number, 48 kilohertz. So it's already set, so we should be ready for 8:30 tonight when WA7ABU repeater starts transmitting SoScan TV pictures from various people in the Salem-Portland area. This is David WA9ONY 73 and